college, I was always on a budget. I didn't have a lot of money to go shopping for clothing, shoes, and accessories, but I knew that I love fashion and I love dressing myself up. So I'm going to share with you my tips and tricks on how to look good even when you don't have a lot of money. This video is brought to you by Squarespace. Whether you need a domain, website, or online store, make it with Squarespace. I'm going to share with you a few tips on how to shop in the sales section and some of my favorite finds of the moment. So if you're interested in shopping this video, be sure to check out the description box. Just open that up. All of the links to the items will be down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get started. Apparently, it's the year of the dress, and I scored this one for under $15 from Zara. This dress has the potential of looking amazing, but look at all of the different wrinkles and the creases on here. It is not looking cute. Just take about 5 to 10 minutes to iron your clothes or steam it. It makes such a big difference. It will make your outfit look so much better and a lot more expensive. Down the jumpsuit, I added a crease to my pants, and I felt it made it look a lot more expensive, and it's a really cool and neat detail to add to your jumpsuit. The other day, one of my friends called me the queen of discounts. Your girl loves a great deal, good bargain, and I love saving money. For instance, I scored this beautiful embroidered gown for $9 at Forever 21. When I put this on, it made me feel like $1 million and it only cost me $9. When it comes to shopping for discounted clothing, there really are some few things that you should keep in mind. Be sure to go in with the mindset of buying something. Don't wander into the sale section or the discounted area, just picking up things here and there. That is how you end up with clothes you don't actually need. What you should do ahead of time is to open up a notepad on your phone and write down the things that you're looking for, specific trends or items, and then when you go into the store, just zero in on these items, and that way you won't leave the store with too many things that you didn't need. Have you ever gone shopping online or in store and noticed all of the different sizing? You might see something like a small, medium, or large, or numbers like 4, 6, 12, 16. So don't be afraid to grab your measuring tape and measure your bust, your waist, and your hips. Your hips are the widest part of your body. Your waistline is the smallest part of your body. These are the most common measurements that I think everyone should know. The other day I went to the thrift store and I found this gorgeous lace top and I loved it. So as you can see, the top is just a little bit too big and a little bit too baggy. No, it's tempting, it's summertime, the weather is hot, all you want to wear is loose and flowy clothing. But trust me, do not pair your loose and flowy top with a loose and flowy bottom. These two don't mix together because it tends to drown out your figure. When it comes to styling an oversized lace top, be sure to balance it out with something more fitted on the bottom. I'm going to let you in on a little secret. My entire workout outfit cost less than $20. I know, 20 bucks. My workout top was only $3 from H&M. These pants were only $7 from Wish. I've had these pants for over a year now, and I can honestly say that I love them. I find that marled fabrics tend to look a lot more expensive than plain and simple fabrics. The marled effect adds a very cool dimensional look to any item. Looking good has nothing to do with the clothing that you're wearing, but it can definitely be enhanced with your shoes or accessories. If you're a casual girl and you love sneakers, invest in a pair of espadrille sneakers. The leather look is very luxe and very on trend. Or you could pick up a mini leather purse. I got this one from Madewell and I love the mustard yellow color. I think mules are a classic staple in every woman's closet. I love the white look, which is perfect for summer. I've been really digging the polka dot trend lately. I've seen it everywhere at Urban Outfitters, PacSun, Forever 21. If you're on a budget and you want to save some cash in the style department, don't be afraid to shop in one of your family members' closets. I'm so happy I didn't spend any money on this look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below and let me know the coolest item you've scored on sale recently. I'd love to read it and I love hearing about your great deals and finds. Growing up, one of my biggest dreams was to have an online store. So if you have that same dream, Squarespace makes it very simple to sell products. Squarespace allows you to manage the inventory, all of the orders, and it's in an all-in-one platform. You don't need any plugins or patches. Head to squarespace.com for a free trial when you're ready to launch, and go to squarespace.com/fashionbyally to save 10% off your first purchase of an online store, domain, or website. So be sure to follow me on Instagram at fashionbyally for more style inspiration and outfit ideas. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! When you score a good deal. Okay.